Hey guys, Vinny here, coming to you with maybe an unusual video for you guys. So first of all, to all of my current subscribers, welcome back to the channel. And obviously for all the new people, welcome to my channel. And if you are new, please first of all consider subscribing, also turn on notification so you never miss one of my new videos. Now, as you can see from the thumbnail, obviously I need your help, and yeah, I really need your help. It's a little bit strange asking this to you, but this is my current situation. And the matter is that maybe you have noticed that now I have changed a subject of the videos that I make. Basically, if I was doing videos about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, and now I have changed the subject of the videos to hardware related ones, mainly unboxing, reviews of hardware, but also software related to games, mainly tests and benchmarks and so on. And I want to keep this kind of subject right now. And as you can see, the name of the channel right now is going to be Spin Test, Tech Gaming Hardware, and obviously a lot of fun. So yeah, I will try my best. Maybe this will go a little bit better than the videos about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So yeah, I decided to change it. And the help needed is for all the current subscribers. Please consider staying subscribed. You don't have to be active. If you want, you can stay subscribed, but you can disable notification if you don't want to be active. If you are still active, that would be amazing. And I will never thank you guys enough. And obviously for the new people, please again subscribe to the channel, also turn on notification, like and share my videos, because it will help me very much to progress and grow a little bit my channel. And yeah, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section of what do you want me to test or to review for you guys, and if I can, I will definitely do that, because that's what I want to do from now on. And the last thing is that some of the videos that are doing good about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, they are still available in the channel. So if you are interested in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, you have some of the videos which you can use, and some of the videos that I thought might be essential for new people coming into blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. So you definitely will find some of them still on the channel, and I will not remove them. And obviously for the new people, you have the test that I have done till now. And again, leave a comment, what do you want me to see? And if you are about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, I still have my Albanian blockchain Facebook group still open, and I will keep this active about this topic as much as I can, obviously. So if you want, you can contact me directly here, so I will try and help you out with every way I can. And for the new people, also I have created a Facebook group called Linus Tech Tips World Fans. So if you like to join about this topic, you can find us obviously on the YouTube channel, but also on Facebook. If you prefer Facebook, come here, join us, and also share your information or whatever you want to about hardware related stuff. You can share as much as you like, and also help others or ask for help if you want to. There are dozens of groups out there about Linus Tech Tips, but yeah, basically Linus has been my inspiration about this thing, and I love technology. I love PC hardware. That's why I decided to turn my subject of videos into, and I will try to keep this kind of subject, and if it goes well, definitely I will keep on going, because it is something I like, something I'm passionate about. So I really hope we can do better with this kind of videos and this kind of changes. So yeah, thank you to all of you that are currently subscribing and staying with us, and obviously thanks to all the new people that will come. And yeah, hope you are enjoying this one, and as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.